have something that I want to show you. It's a really nifty trick. And I want to share it. So, let's just go on over to my stove and see what we find over there. Well, we were camping and fishing, and when we were living in Alaska, oh, and it's been over 50 years ago. Well, we caught some fish and was getting ready to fry that, and one of the gals came over, and she dropped a couple of pieces of popcorn in my oil, and I said, "What you doing?" And she said, "When that popcorn pops, your grease is perfect temperature for frying." Okay, when the popcorn popped, we took it out, and we did our fish. Turned out great. At home, I do that all the time in order to get my grease right. If you use a grease thermometer, you have to use a lot of grease because the bulb to the thermometer has to go down inside that grease. If I just want to cook a little something here or there, a piece of chicken, a couple of this or that, then I don't want to use that much grease. So I just use the popcorn trick, and it works. It's starting to get hot now. My stove, whoa, they both popped. They're ready. Then, okay, so I've got some potato here. I got a couple of pieces of potato that I'm going to put in, and you can watch them sizzle, and they'll be cooking up a storm here. There they go. Okay. It really is kind of a neat thing to be able to do when you don't need that much grease. My stove is not level. This part over here has no oil in it. Completely dry, just about. So we're going to cook these french fries. It's a pretty nifty little trick. Our french fries are done. They're browned, nice, perfect temperature for frying. I just think that's a nifty little trick.